so much for dropping by the beauty room today. I really appreciate it. Today we're going to be talking about essential oils and how to use them for stress relief. Now this topic is really close to my heart because I love essential oils. I do have them on my site and I'm stressed a lot. So I thought it'd be a great topic today to talk to you about. Now, the ones that I have on my website and the essential oils that I use regularly are lavender oil. So this one I have, it's aromatherapy, and I'll have a link later for you to have a look at those if you want. But it's a aromatherapy one and I use this every single night for going to sleep. The other one I have is a spring rose. Now this is a combination of essential oils with rose in it, and it is very uplifting. Here's the link to them. So after the video, go and have a look. It's also going to be at the end of the video. So if you want to click the link at the end of the video, they're going to be there for you as well. But these ones are the ones that I use regularly, and I'll talk about those in a minute. Now there are other essential oils that you can use, which is sandalwood. Absolutely fantastic for stress relief. Frankincense, amazing. You can mix sandalwood and frankincense together. You can put both of them onto a tissue and use it as an inhaler at night. You can use it as an oil, so you can put it into some of your oil and rub it into your face over night time. And the essential oils will just infuse into your face and give you a wonderfully relaxing sleep. I will have a recipe for this later for you. If you would like to have a look towards the end of the video, the recipe will be there. Another fantastic essential oil to use is Neroli essential oil. Now Neroli is used in a different way because it helps relieve anxiety, and it actually helps relieve the worry. And it's quite an amazing oil because it interrupts that worry process that you have. So the moment you start using it as an inhaler, you just inhale it in and just allow the essential oil to infuse into your system and around your aura. That's a really fantastic way to use essential oil too, is to be able to just infuse it into your aura. And the way to do that is to put it on your hands, just put it on your hands, rub it together gently, and just gently start putting it around your head, around your heart area, and then start just feathering right in front of you like this. If you have essential oil on your hands and you just start using it in this manner, what this does is, number one, the essential oil will infuse into your aura, but the other thing that happens is it starts moving much more and moving and disrupting the thoughts around you, because thoughts are energy and thoughts do come out around your auric area. They are out here. So all you're doing is helping to move those thoughts on. Because we get into this obsessive way of thinking, and it's just this chatter that goes on in our head. And the moment you can break that by any means, the moment you start to feel more at ease and the anxiety starts to subside. You can use this if you have anxiety attacks, if you have worry attacks all the time with your thinking. You can use it for all of that. And trust me, I do have anxiety attacks, panic attacks myself at times. When I have essential oils at my fingertips, I do use them for that. I work here at home, and sometimes if I'm feeling a little bit panicky, anxiety, or tired, or having obsessive thoughts, I'll just go and lay down for half an hour. I'll use my essential oils, I'll start breathing them in and start bringing the edge of it all downwards. Now I know you can't do that when you're at work, but you can also go into the ladies' or the men's room. You can get out your essential oils and just gently rub them into your hands and even just part the aura. And that will even just start to take it down. Essential oils work on a vibrational nature, so they work with the energy of our body. There is energy around our body. You just put your hands together and you can feel it. Even there, if you do something like this, you put your hands together, rub them together, and you can feel the heat. That's the energy that is around our body. And to be able to use something like essential oil to help interrupt or change that energy in such a positive way is really a wonderful gift that we have from nature. There are some other amazing essential oils also that you can use. You can use orange oil. Now orange oil is an uplifting oil and it uplifts the spirits. So you can use orange oil. Then there's Ylang Ylang. Ylang Ylang is an amazing essential oil. Again, it eases anxiety. And I do have Ylang Ylang in my serum that I sell on my site because it is something that is very calming and very nurturing for you and the body and your skin. And it's one of the reasons why I do have it in the product. So the most incredible thing about Ylang Ylang is that there has been some medical research about it, and it has been shown in some cases to bring down high blood pressure. Now that's really incredible, isn't it? Again, it's a vibrational essence. It works with the vibrational nature of our body. So it makes sense that these are the type of effects that essential oils have on our body. To put something like Ylang Ylang within your self-care routine is something that you can really do to nurture and pamper yourself. It's a beautiful, beautiful essential oil. You can mix essential oils together, so you could put Ylang Ylang, you could put Neroli, which is calming and easing. So you would mix them together in a way that they complement each other. I would suggest a recipe here for you. If you are feeling anxiety, if you are feeling anxious and anxiety, here is a recipe that you can put together into a little oil and just be able to rub it onto your face before you go to sleep at night. Be a great way to do it. So the recipe is this: 2 tablespoons of oil as a base, and the oil would be a light oil, a massage oil like jojoba, argan oil, pomegranate oil, anything like that. The essential oils that you would use would be a drop of lavender essential oil, a drop of Ylang Ylang essential oil, and a drop of Neroli essential oil. Now I know it's only one drop, and one drop, but with 2 tablespoons of oil, this will be enough to be able to just mix into the oil. You can even warm it up a tad just to lukewarm if you want, and you would do that by putting it into your hand, rubbing it together, and then gently rub it over your face. And do this before you go to sleep at night, because if you do that, you will have a wonderfully relaxing sleep. And not all of us, have trouble with sleep, but if you do have trouble falling off to sleep or staying asleep, this is one of the best ways that you can do it. Again, at the end of the video, there will be a little box for you to click on to show you the type of products that I have available. Go there and have a look and see if it's something for you. It's just something to help you of a night time to bring down all that stress that you might be feeling of the day. So guys, I hope that's really helped you understand just in very basic terms how essential oils affect the energy system of our body. It's a vibrational medicine, so it means that it just affects us on a vibrational level, and also through the sense of smell, it is incredibly strong. So with the sense of smell, it relates to so many things. It relates to so many memories. It can heal us just breathing in a smell. It's amazing. So this is why essential oils are so powerful when you use them. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel, because I've got all these great things that I've coming up in the year, so it's something that will really help you with a natural way of looking after yourself. Also remember to like the channel because it really helps. Alright guys, well you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.